Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain ButterQuest Build-A-Boat only way. Start by landing in the butter biome, gather 60 wood, 20 stone, and 3 butter cores before the first storm hits. Prioritize crafting a sturdy hull, placing thrusters on the rear, and installing a butter core at the center to activate unique buoyancy. Keep mobility items ready and practice quick repair loops. Watch timing on butter boosts and avoid heavy weight penalties. Center placement matters a lot for butter core boats, so make sure the core sits at the hull midpoint to balance lift. Attach thrusters to the rear and slightly outboard for precise steering and reduced yaw. Keep storage and workstations mirrored left and right to avoid listing when loaded. Test flotation with weight increments and remove heavy gear until movement is responsive and predictable on rough waves. If you found the tips useful, please subscribe and like to help me make more guides. Quick recommendation on another note, I love these leak-proof meal prep containers for keeping snacks safe while you build and sail, and they save cleanup time after chaotic plays. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and cut down crumbs on your keyboard. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Combat readiness depends on quick fixes and nimble movement, so stash 1 repair kit per crewmate and prioritize hull repairs mid-fight. Engage with ranged weapons and move away after striking to reduce boarding risk. Keep grapples and mobility tools handy for repositioning and emergency retreats, and practice emergency patching to save momentum. Training these routines will make your ButterQuest boat dependable in both raids and exploration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.